In this video, we'll share everything you need to know about an ocean view stateroom with veranda here on the Disney Destiny. We'll start off with a full tour of this family level category and then also talk about the standard level rooms here in a minute. But when you first walk in, you'll pass the bathroom and closet. We'll show those in a second as well. And you'll come into the main bedroom living room space. And in here, you'll have the bed, you'll have the couch, there's a closet for some storage. And if I turn, this is going to give you a full view of the room from the balcony veranda door. And with this setup, it's really convenient. The couch can actually be converted into a bed, and there's a drop-down bed as well. We'll show you how that looks at nighttime later on in this video as well, if you're looking or curious about how that is. The bed has the TV directly across from it, and one thing I absolutely love about the beds here on the Destiny is you have beautiful artwork directly above the bed. Ours is Big Hero 6, so it is a really amazing detail. When it comes to the bathrooms, it is a split bath, so that means in one side of the bathroom you have the shower and tub here with the sink. With the bathroom on the Destiny, they do provide some amenities. So you have body lotion here, as well as shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, which are provided for you to use during your cruise. And then the other bath, so with a separate door, you're gonna have another sink, and then the toilet will be in here. Directly across from the bathroom will be your closet, so plenty of space here to hang up your clothes if you'd like. Depending on your room category, they may also provide bathroom and slippers. And then the other side of the closet also has a safe, so if you want anything to go in here to be able to be stored, you can do that as well. Moving out to the main desk space, there's a bunch of amenities that are available here. So in one drawer, you will find some complimentary postcards, your room service menu, as well as a pen and paper. The room service menus are great. You can pop those out on your door for breakfast. There's also a mini fridge as well as a hair dryer, and those are going to be provided for you to use during your stay. There's also plenty of storage located under the bed. Again, I love the artwork that you're going to have in the room. So you have the main piece directly above the bed. The theming and artwork that you have in your room is going to vary based on the floor that you book and the possible room on that floor. And then of course, since you booked a veranda stateroom, that's going to be the name for the balcony outside. And this is an amazing space to kind of sit and relax if you want to enjoy some ocean views on your cruise. Here's a look at the floor plan for the family level. So this is going to be 284 square feet. Slightly smaller is going to be the standard ocean view stateroom with a balcony. So you'll have 243 square feet here. And if you're looking to book one of these levels, you'll notice the setup is going to be nearly identical. The main difference is that the area directly next to the balcony is just going to be a little tighter, so it goes right up to that couch. But otherwise, the setup and amenities in here are going to be pretty much the same. And then if you want to see how it looks when you have it at night with the beds converted over, you have the drop down bed there, and then the couch switches into the bed as well. The last thing I want to share is the various floors and theming that these staterooms are available on. So first we have floor 11, which is going to have Baymax theming in the hallway. You'll find it in the light fixtures, the shadows that are created by the lights, as well as the carpet that you're going to have throughout the hallway. This theming is also going to carry into floor 10 as well. So again, here you'll have the Baymax little door tags with your number. You'll have the light fixtures, and again, I really love how the light fixtures cast the shadows onto the walls as well. And then you have the San Francisco theming in the carpets. There also are some hidden Mickeys in there as well. And then making our way down to deck 9, you're going to have Brave theming. So you'll have the Brave symbol there with the door number, and then you'll have some Brave details up in the light fixtures, and similar to the other light with the Baymax, it's going to be casting the shadow. And then the floor is going to have the woods and some of the wisps from the movie there, and you will also have hidden Mickey details in those. And then lastly, floors 7 and 6 are going to have Hercules theming in the hallway. So you'll have the lightning bolt from Hercules on the door number. The light is going to have kind of the Hercules emblem as well as Pegasus up there. And then you do also have the fun Hercules themed carpeting along the whole stateroom hallway. So that's going to do it for us. Thanks so much for following along with our adventure.